here we go. Let's get this bad boy going. It's a little chilly this morning. Whew. Surprisingly. But I'd say it won't take much to get warmed up. It never does for me. Yeah. All right, we're gonna hit this one here. This is baby flow. It's got some big berms, stuff like that. Let's see how it does. Old baby flow. I like to usually go into this pretty slow. Ooh, man, something about cornering so far with this feels really good. I mean, really, really good. I haven't ran all the way down this in a long time, actually. It's just kind of foreign to me. I never go down here because, well, I don't like to climb. And there is a climb. Yeah. Oh, baby flow. She's fun. But and she'll spit you out right here. Which this is chairlift. And that takes you up from the bottom to the top. And I'm close to the top, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go up.